What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. Wiz Constrictors in the building again. This time we're gonna do a quick video on some updates, some holdbacks. Let y'all know how everything growing up over here. Not everything, but a little bit of everything growing up over here. That being said, let's get into it. Alright, first up we got that double head girl, double head ghost clown. See, she got a little bit of stuck shed on her, but you know, that happens. She eating good, man. She done put on some weight since the last video, so she should be ready to go, I would say 2022, if she keep eating like she is right now. Super cool little girl. Plenty busy, man. Like a lot of little alien heads, everything kind of banded, and then they kind of melt together right here towards the end, which is pretty dope. So yeah, growing up nicely over here, man. On to the next. Alright, next up we got this girl right here. Oh, this girl and the last girl both was from Poker Pythons, man. Go give them a follow if you ain't. This girl right here is just a head clown, but like the cleanest clown I've ever seen, or cleanest snake I've ever seen in my life. That's not like special. You know what I mean? Super clean alien heads, like the darkness around the alien heads, the white flames that come up. She's very feisty. Not feisty, but she's a runner. Again, still. She also been eating good growing up. Not as good as the other one, but you can see she put on some good weight. So she keep going. She should be ready for 2022 too. But look at how dark, come over here under the light. Look at how dark she is right there, man. Super nice and dark. Pretty busy, but not extremely busy like the first one was. Small little tiny alien eyes. Lots of flames, lots of blushing. Whites coming up from the belly. So coming along nicely, man. Super clean, look at that. So clean. Alright, on to the next. Alright, and next up, fresh out of quarantine, we got Super Pastel, Het DG, Het Cryptic, possible Het Cryptic. Growing up here at the crib, man, Wiz Constrictor, super nice. She out of quarantine, eating good as you can see. Blushed out everywhere, look at that head. And this is produced by Bow's Exotic Reptiles. Big shout out to him. If you ain't, go follow him. And this girl, man, I don't know if the camera picking it up, but she like highlighter yellow. Like it's insane. Let me see if I put it down. Shit, so. That head stick. Yeah. So this girl right here got big plans, man. So she keep eating like that, she might go, she might go in 2022, but she was just hatched in 2020, so we'll see, man. Only time will tell. On to the next. All right, and next up out of quarantine also, we got this Super Inchi GHI female. She look like she about to take a pop. She's very, very stiff right now. She's a runner. Like if I let her go, she gonna take off. But very clean belly. Back the camera so you can see. This one of the best. Oh, she hit her head. I was trying to keep her head out for you. I was just finna say one of the best head stamps I've ever seen on a snake. Look like Batman or Spawn or something. Look at them eye stripes on the side. They go all the way down. That's that Super Inchi. I told you can't get so close. That's that super inchy, and then GHI make it all like gravelly all through there. You see the inchy coming through at the tail where it's all nice and orange down there. So this girl got some good plans for this girl too. She gonna grow up here. She eating good. She a little skittish, but we'll get her out of that. She eating good, so another nice little addition here, doing good. Super inchy GHI. I do like the like white blushing that comes through in the dorsal right there. It's pretty dope. But on to the next one. All right, up next is actually one of the Whisk Constrictor's productions here. This is I'm gonna just call it a pastel spot nose. Head's super blush, but I don't think it could possibly be super pastel. I don't think so. And I would think it would be more blushed out in the body if it was, but that head is super like white, super pale. But hella busy, man. Like, spot nose is insane. Big shout out to the homie Sick With It Ball Pythons, man, because as the first dude I really seen get down with the spot nose and like codom stuff, and he doing good things with it, man. I like some of that stuff he got produced over there, so down there actually from Texas. So go check him out, man. Sick With It Ball Python. But yeah, that's a 2020 Whisk Constrictor's production right there. Like this like white that come up almost excuse me, almost look calico-ish, like this little random white spots that's in there. So crazy busy, like I said, hooking everywhere. Alien heads all linked together. She growing up nicely, man. She was the tiniest one of that clutch, and I had to assist feed her once or twice, but she coming along now. She only eat ASFs, but good thing I'm producing them. So we got plenty rats to go around. She about to eat today, actually. So that being said, man, on to the next one. All right, and next up is that feisty boy from the last video. You see turning pink, looking ghosty. You're going in the shed right now. Of course, somebody going in the shed. This is a Rioyo Chocolate or Raven. Jesse from Freedom Breeder put out a nice video showing the difference between chocolate and raven, so it might actually be different. But this boy right here, hella feisty, man. He calming down though, but can't wait to get this Rioyo gene in a bunch of stuff. Big shout out to R&B Reptiles again. They really the only ones working with it, but GHI, fire, all that kind of stuff is insane with Rioyo, man. So love how crazy dirty the belly is. So I'm about to give him back, put him back since he's going in the shed. Moisten is bedding down, and on to the next. All right, next up, Albino Inchi male. One of the few males that I picked up. I got an Albino Inchi female from CV Exotics, and I got this boy from the one and only Garrick DeMeyer at Royal Constrictor Designs. If you ain't following him, I don't know what your problem is. Go follow that man, because he got heat all day, and he from Wisconsin. So shout out to all the Wisco breeders. But man, look at this dude, man. Look at the pinks and the peaches that come up on this dude. It's insanity. Back up a little bit and bring it up like higher. There you go. Look at that. Look at them peaches and them oranges. And then he got a super white belly, of course. So he growing up good too, man. Eating well. He likes ASFs. He also likes regular rats, so he gets a treat every once in a while, but most of the time it's just rats. I want to get him nice and get him up to breeding size this year, because this girl gonna be ready to go. Look at that white on his nose. It almost looked like a scaleless. Can you see that? Insane. Purples, or pinks, I mean, peaches. Like this guy. We'll see if we can make some super inchy albinos. That's the goal.
Cool.
Yeah. All right, last one. All right, and last but not least is this little fighter right here, man. This girl, let me make sure it's a girl. Yeah, that's a girl. So this girl came out of the egg, refused to eat, refused. Cis fed her, she did not take it. Cis fed her two more times, she did not take it. Force fed her once, she held it down. Force fed her twice, she held it down. Didn't gain any weight, she was losing weight. I thought this girl was gonna die on me. But lo and behold, she looking good. Pretty sure it's just a pastel, maybe fire, but I think it's just a pastel. And whenever they put you through that, you know you can't send them nowhere, man. So she gonna be here. I don't know what I'm gonna name her, but she gonna be here. I like this little light area on the back of her head. That's not like shed or anything. That's just how it is. It's like super blush, just at the end though. But yeah, man, she ain't going nowhere. She eating eating ASFs. I haven't even tried to give her a regular rat yet. I wanted her to take off as soon as possible. So she been getting ASFs from jump. So she probably gonna be spoiled on ASFs for her whole life, but she'll be here, man. I don't see nothing special with her. She just looked like a pastel, but she ain't going nowhere. Sentimental stuff, you know what I mean? So that being said, man. All right, and then real quick, man, this last clutch of 2020, almost everybody shared out. There's a couple in there that ain't shared yet, but man, we ain't get no clowns, B. Not one.
Yeah.
Whole bag of normals, my dude. Look at this. Look at this. Just a pile of normals. But everything got to be 50% head clown, so we'll see. All right, so that's it, man. That's what little update of what we got going on right here. Nothing outstanding, but we doing what we do over here, man. I'm 2 years in this professionally. You know what I mean? I've been doing this like for real for the last 2 years, but just like everybody else in this community, man, I've been messing with reptiles and amphibians and bugs since I was like a little kid. So it's just second nature to me, man. It's something that I'm passionate about and something that we ain't gonna ever get rid of, something that we ain't gonna ever stop doing over here, no matter what. Knock on wood. So that being said, man, don't forget to hit the buttons, all of them. Like, subscribe, hit that bell. I know I only put up a video once every month or something, but it'll give you something to look forward to every month, you know what I mean? Appreciate all the love, man. Shout out to 2021. Let's make it better than 2020. Hopefully we can get into some shows, get out here and do this. Speaking of shows, I'm gonna be at the Show Me Snake show up here in Janesville Sunday. So if you from Wisco, come check us out. We'll have a booth out there and all that. So till the next time, man, y'all be easy. Peace.